God reveals himself to those who are simple and humble of heart because they are open to receiving him. Their docility gives them great insight into the faith and enables them to follow the inspirations of the Holy Spirit. Today, we too are invited to become childlike, whether we are parents, students, or catechists, business people, priests, or religious. We are all called to live our Christian faith authentically by humbly following the Lord's inspirations. May this spirit of simplicity guide us as we look forward with hope to the ongoing renewal of the Church and of the world.